Think about a Ganapati idol crafted by your own hands from the comfort of your home. Believe me, it's very much possible with the help of my online course. More than 800 people from 36 countries have successfully done this. I'm Mandar Marathe. I'm a fine artist and a sculptor, and in this course you will learn how to turn a lump of clay into an elegant looking Ganapati idol using just some basic tools and no ready-made molds at all. At first, it may seem a complex thing to achieve, but don't worry. I've broken it down into manageable process of 21 video lectures. I'll explain and show each step in detail so that you can follow along very easily. By the end of this course, you will have a Ganapati idol made by you completely from scratch. These techniques you will learn in this course are generic and can be applied to any other clay modeling project. Apart from those who want to make a Ganapati idol, this course is also useful for those people who like playing and creating objects in clay, or those who are interested in sculpture as an art form, or those who simply want to try something new. This course is completely beginner friendly, so even if you have never created anything in clay, it's totally fine. You only need enthusiasm and of course some clay. But the idol crafting is incomplete without painting the idol. So if you join this course right now, you will get my idol painting course as a free bonus. So join this course right now at this special price and get your free bonus. Ganapati Bappa Moria.